Hello. Find the value of k for k for which the points are collinear. Points are collinear. Collinear means if 3 points of a triangle are collinear, then the area enclosed between them is 0. That means the 3 points are in the same line. If three points are collinears, then the area enclosed between them is 0. That means 0. In this concern, we also find area of triangle. Now, assume a triangle and draw a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. Let ABC. Assume these 3 points are vertices of triangle ABC. 7, -2, 5, 1, 3, k. These are vertices of triangle ABC. We know the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half mod, just write x into y minus y, same right here, x into y minus y, same right here, x into y minus y. Now write notation 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Area of triangle is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right here, this x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y2. Now, these values are substituted in this formula. Right here, half mod x1 is 7, y2 is 1 minus y3 k plus x2 5, y3 k minus y1 minus 2, x3 y1 minus 2, y2 minus 1. Now simplify in the bracket, simplify the values in the brackets. One minus k plus 5 into minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into these two are minus, so write minus 3. Now multiply 1 into 7, 7 plus into minus, minus 7 into k, 7k plus into plus, plus 5 into k, 5k plus into plus, plus 5 2s are 10, okay, plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9. Plus 7 plus 10 is equal to plus 17. Now minus 9, subtract 8 plus 8, right, large sign is plus, so write plus 8, plus 8. Next 5 minus 7k plus 5k, 1 plus 1 minus, so do subtraction, 7 minus 5, 2, 2k, large sign minus, so minus 2k, minus 2k. This is the area of triangle. These 3 points are collinear, here given 3 points are collinear. Collinear. If 3 points are collinear, if 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle is equal to 0. Area of triangle is equal to 0. Area of triangle is equal to 0. Right. Is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. Now 8 is equal to 2k. Transpose this minus 2k into right side. The minus 2k is changed as plus 2k. So k is equal to 8 by 2. This 2 is multiplying with k. 2 is transposing to the right side. Then it divides 8. 2 goes into 4 times. K is equal to 4. Therefore, k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. This word important, collinear. Collinear means these 3 points are lies on same line. Lies on a same line. These are 3 points. If 3 points are collinear, then the area of enclosed between them is 0. That means delta is equal to 0. If roughly draw a triangle, let ABC are their vertices 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3, 1. We know the area of triangle half mod x into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula of area of a triangle. Now now write here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute these values in this formula. First of all, substitute. Then simplify in the brackets. Simplify in the brackets. Now, this is the area of the triangle. He given collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then delta area of triangle is equal to 0. So, this value is equal to 0. This value is equal to 0. So, 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. 2k is equal to 8. K is equal to 4. So, the value of k is equal to 4. The value of k is equal to 4.